So, wave.
I'm not
Okay.
good enough.
Hi, you guys. Hey, guys. This is Jen of all trades. Today, we are doing another hair tutorial once again. So today we are coloring and bleaching, well, more so bleaching first of all. My cousin Miranda's hair. I want to go over a few things. First of all, I apologize for the lighting you are about to see. I was at my friend Raven's house. I did not have my tripod, which means the lighting was not the greatest, but I am going to be doing a voiceover and explaining everything to take you through the whole process of how I did it and also show you the end results as well. So she does have an ombre, a brown to blonde ombre. Let's go over all of that and get her hair transformed. Ultimately, she's going to be purple, so we are taking the brown to a platinum or a really much lighter than where she's at now, to ultimately a purple. Also, if you have not already seen this hair video, you might want to check that out. That is my one where I really screwed up. I colored my hair twice in one video. That's never happened, but the end result was this. So if you want to see how I got that, definitely check that out up in the iCards or at the end of this video. So let's get started. I'm here with my wonderful cousin Miranda, and we are going to do another hair video for you guys. So let me show you what we're working with as far as her hair, and also what products we will be using to make the mixtures. Alright, so this is what we are starting with. She does have pretty medium brown hair with ombre towards the bottom of it. Alright, so for the bleaching process, we are using a BW2 powder. There it is in our bowl. We have our gloves, we have our brush. We're also using a 30 volume developer. Let's go ahead, get the mixtures done, and get this on her head. Alright, after I got all the foils in, you can see I left the ends out because they were already pre-lightened because of the ombre. And then I'm just going back through a second round, go ahead and putting it on the ends for the last little bit, folding that up, and then going to let that set for about 30 minutes or so. We'll rinse that out and I will be back with the result of this. Ta-da! She's blonde! Here it is, slightly orange tinted, but it turned out really great. Alright, so as you can see, the first round of bleach was pretty successful. She did end up very orange, brassy looking. So to minimize, to tone that, we're gonna tone it. We're gonna tone it with the T18 Wella. So anyways, we're gonna do that. So let's go ahead and do that now, again, with the mixtures, and I will show you how I did all of that. Alright, so as I just said, we are using the Color Charm Wella T18 for a toner, which will leave it slightly with a gray kind of tone, cool toned for what we're doing with the purple. Also using a 20 volume, and when you mix the whole bottle and the 20 volume, you get this gloopy gel type mixture. We're going to go ahead and section her hair and get this on it.
So this is how I sectioned it. Started off at the bottom as usual, and then we'll just work our way to the top, and I will show you what it looks like after it's all on her head. Alrighty, so now it's on her head, and you can see it did turn purple, which most toners in this color do. So here we go. We'll let that set for about 30 minutes or so, rinse it out, and be back.
Alright, so this is the end result of the video. So, okay. Alright, come on, get down. This is a short people problems. Okay, that works. That kind of works. I'm on my tippy toes to kind of meet your height. Okay. So this is the final result. Do a little twirl. Turn around. Okay, so this is the final. You can see it's still got a little bit of the oranginess to it, but we are going purple next. Okay, you can turn. So, none of that's gonna matter in the end. So the purple's gonna cover that really well. It's gonna be super awesome. Are you happy with how it looks now so far? Step one, done? Okay, so due to height issues, she's standing behind me. All right, okay, and now she is going purple, as you probably already saw in the thumbnail. So watch this. We're gonna go over the process of what we're using, how we do the mixtures, and the final result. So let's go.
All right, so for the purple color, we are using something I've never tried before. This is called Kuul Color System Funny Colors, and it has coconut oil in it, which is what really drew us to it. But it's a really pretty purple color from what we saw at Sally's. It was only $5.99, so you can't beat it for the price, and I believe it's a 3-ounce tube. This is what the tube looks like, and we did end up using the whole thing. And I did 2 mixtures. The plan was to try and dilute some of it to create like an ombre, but that didn't really work out so well. So you can see here we have any white conditioner will do. We have our gloves, and I'm gonna put the mixtures into the bowls. Alright, we are sectioned off and ready to go. Let's get this in her hair.
Alright guys, so this is the final result of her purple hair dye. So let's go. What do you think? I turn around. See the back. Very pretty. I think this color is super awesome. Like the video. Overall, my thoughts on this hair dye: it smells good. Would you say it smells good? The consistency is great. It does stain. You get 3 ounces for $5.99 at Sally's. So overall, that is a really good price. So for that, it's worth it. I think. It's going to be interesting to see how long it lasts and how it lasts for washing out purposes. But when we rinsed it, for sure, like this hair color for Arctic Fox, it rinses out really easy. as in when you're first rinsing it, there's dye everywhere, but I feel like when we rinsed yours, it didn't really come out, right? Like, it didn't really come out in the bathtub, like, at all. So I think hopefully that is a precursor to say that it's going to stick really well. So we'll see how that goes. I will keep you updated. So if you are interested in getting this hair dye, I will leave a link below. And also for the giveaway, comment below. We're gonna do something different. Comment below your favorite hair color. So whatever color, I don't care if it's crazy colors, if it's natural color, whatever, comment below whatever color you like. And that will be your extra entry for the giveaway. If you have not already seen that, make sure you check it out right at her face. The iCards, right up there, you can check that out for the giveaway video. We just hit 2K, so yay, we're hitting 2K. All right, make sure, hope you like the video. If you have any questions below, leave them, just ask questions. Thumbs up, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe. Right there. Subscribe and join the best fam on YouTube for hair tutorials anyway. Yeah. And enter the giveaway because you gotta be subscribed, but your subscriptions have to be public so I can see. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye. Say bye, say wave. Wave bye.